In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix calls not receiving on your iPhone 17 right
Now,
here.
it's pretty easy to do, but the first way you actually want to do is I simply just recommend resetting your network. Just turning on your phone on airplane mode, just like so. Just turn on airplane mode for a second and just wait a few seconds and turn it off, and this may fix your issue. This is the most basic fix. Now, the second way to fix this is I just recommend going into settings, just simply like this, scrolling down and clicking on apps down here. Just click on apps, and you can actually just scroll down again and click on the option called phone, or you can actually search for it. I recommend searching for it, but you just want to search for the word phone. Click on the phone app like so. Well, from here we just want to scroll down and actually just click on the option that is called call blocking and identification, and you actually just want to click on this and actually make sure the setting is on right here, otherwise you cannot receive calls from your phone. And yeah, this may fix your issue, so just toggle this on. Mine is currently on. And the third way to fix this issue is you actually just want to go over back to settings, just go back to the home screen like so. From here you just want to scroll down, click on general, and click on about right here. And when you click on about, what you want to do is you want to scroll down once again and click on transfer or reset phone. Just click on this, and you want to click on the reset option, which is right here. I'm going to let the camera focus. Click on reset, and you can actually reset all settings. I've just reset all settings, or you can do network settings depending on what you want. Enter in your passcode. I'm going to do this off camera, and once you enter in your passcode like so, it will basically reset all your settings, including your network settings. Yeah, this will fix your issue. Just click on this. It'll take a second to load, but it should bring you to this home screen once again, and it should fix your issues of not receiving calls, or just calls not working in general if you can't make calls on your phone. And yeah, I recommend doing that, and finally just resetting your phone just to secure the deal if none of those worked. And once you reset it just by holding on the top power button in this one, it will basically fix your issue of not receiving calls on the 16.